Imagine this. You're sitting at the favorite spot at your home, sipping a warm drink and earning money just by typing. Sounds good to be true, right? Well, it is not. Today I'm sharing 5 beginner-friendly transcription jobs that you can start today. No experience needed. So whether you're looking to replace your 9 to 5 like you want to sack your boss, any side hustle, or simply explore a flexible way to work, transcription is a fantastic option. Hey there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere. And on this channel, I help you uncover real ways to make money online, whether through remote job, affiliate marketing, or other income opportunities. I go all out and I bring those to your doorstep. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any future video from me. Before we dive in, stay with me until the very end because I'm not just about sharing platform. I will also be giving you insider tips to stand out in this competitive field and maximize your earning. So if you're ready like me, let's jump in without wasting time. Why transcription jobs, you might ask? They are perfect for beginners. Before you get into the platform, let's talk about why transcription job is a great online job. The first thing is with transcription job, you don't necessarily need like any big experience, no advanced degree, or any special skills needed. It is super flexible. You work whenever you want and wherever you want. Pay for productivity. The faster and more accurate you are, the more money you can make from transcription job. All you need to get started is a laptop or a computer. You can't do this with a phone. A good pair of headsets, a stable network or internet connection. That is all you need. Now let's explore 5 beginner-friendly transcription platforms hiring right now. Yes, you heard me right. The first transcription is Transcription Staff. They are perfect for beginners looking for steady work. Why you should join them is they offer flexible hours, work from anywhere and anytime, weekly payment via PayPal. On this platform, you earn $7.5 to $26.50 per audio hour. Your speed determines your earning. It's important to note that you are paid per audio hour, not the time you take to complete the task. So the faster and more accurate you transcribe, the higher your earning. To keep your account active, you need to complete at least 2 audio hours per week. This is pretty easy if you're very fast in typing. Transcription job number 2 is remote tasks. This platform is perfect for those who want variety, not just transcription. Remote tasks offer more than just transcription jobs. On this platform, you can also label images, which is why this platform is super good. You have a lot more to do. Annotated data. You can train AI chatbots. This is why you should join them. They offer weekly payment via PayPal or RTM. They are available in 90 plus countries. So like imagine a company that is available in 90 plus countries. You earn money for complex tasks. Heads up, some tasks require additional skill, but the higher difficulty the task, the higher the pay. You get that, right? Transcription job number 3 is transcription for everyone. This website is perfect for those looking for long-term transcription career. If you're looking to like make transcription like your career, you want to hold on to this website. This platform doesn't just hire transcribers, they promote top performing transcribers to editors, which is super good. Why should you join them? Opened to motivated beginners with strong grammar skill. Like if you know you have strong grammar skill, you want to check out this website. Offer steady work from regular clients. You get to work regularly for clients. Career growth, you can move up to editor role based on performance, which is super amazing. How do you apply? Submit a CV on their website and a cover letter explaining why you'd be a great fit. If you're looking for stability and growth, then this is a great platform that you want to hold on to and stick to because they give that to you. Transcription job number 4 is Audio B. I don't know if you've heard about this before. This site is perfect for those who are multilingual. If you speak different languages, you want higher paying gigs, then Audio B is definitely one that you want to check out. Audio B offers more than just transcription. You can also do things like segmentation, you can do translation, you can do voice recording jobs, and it's amazing how much and other things you can explore on the site. Why should you join them? Their pay is between $24 to $120 per audio hour, open to applicants worldwide. So no matter the country where you are, you want to check out this website. Great for bilingual speakers who want to maximize their earning. Now, it's important that you know that your earning depends on project complexity, language, and your experience. If you speak multiple language, this could be a good mind for you. And of course, it's an advantage that you speak multiple language. Now, transcription job number 5 is Transcription Hub. This website is perfect for those who want to choose their own projects. Like you want to be the one who calls the shot of the project that you do. Unlike other platforms, Transcription Job assigns a rating to applicants. If you assign any of this, gold is access to high paying job, silver is media type job, bronze is entry level job. Now, this is why you should choose them. You choose your own job from their marketplace. Here's the only marketplace. You earn more for harder projects and languages. They encourage multilingual transcribers for higher rates, which is very good. And you have an advantage if you can speak multiple language. This does not mean that if you cannot speak multiple language, you shouldn't apply. So if you're fluent in multiple language, this platform gives you an excellent earning potential, but everyone should apply. How do you stand out and succeed in transcription? Now that you know 5 places where you can start, let's talk about how you can stand out and increase your earning. The truth is, number 1, you want to improve your typing skill because how faster you type will determine how many audios you can complete and how much you can earn. If you're not already typing at 50 plus words per minute, practice regularly using sites like 10 faster fingers, fast typing, more money. Number 2, invest in quality tools. A good pair of noise cancelling headsets and transcription software like Express Scribe will boost your productivity. Number 3, learn the basics. Take a beginner-friendly course on Skillshare or Udemy. Even a few hours of training can increase your accuracy and earning, which is very important. Step number 4, stay consistent. Many platforms requires regular work to keep your account active. So you want to set a work schedule that fits into your lifestyle. If you're a morning person, an afternoon person, an evening person, or even if you're a mom or 9-to-5 worker, pick something that fits into your schedule. Step number 5, build your reputation. Always aim for high accuracy and meet deadline. I know you got all of that right. And if you're still watching this video up till now, which platform would you try first? So there you have it, 5 beginner friendly transcription platforms to start earning money from home. Again, let me quickly recap. The first is Transcription Staff, and it's great for beginner and they pay weekly. The second is Remote Tax. They offer transcription plus other job. The third is Transcription for Everyone. They offer career growth opportunities. The fourth is AudioBee, high paying gig, perfect for multilingual speakers. And the fifth is Transcription Hub. You choose your own project and best for experienced transcribers. Comment below which platform you're most excited to try out, or let me know if you already have a favorite transcription company and that you transcribe for. Please share your experience in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share with someone you know who might benefit from it. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more ways to make money online. And I can't wait to welcome you in our community. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy typing.